Hi guys, in this video we learn how to use if else in C++. So first I define what is if else. If else can be used to create one way selection, two way selection and the multiple selections. So first in one way selection we used only if statement because it also called a decision method to decide whether the statement execute or not. If the value of the expression is true, it execute the statement and whether compiler terminate the program. So we goes to the compiler how to code on a dev or a Visual Studio. First I include the libraries hash include iostream conio.h using namespace and main. Then goes to the main function, and the main function first I write that data type. I declare a variable which data type is int and the name is a. So I write the statement cout, enter the name. So when user compile the program, then it gives the statement enter the number. Say in so I use if else if statement in this way. If a is greater than 100, then it execute the statement which I write in this code cout, and the statement is cout true. If the statement is true, then the compiler gives the statement true. If the statement does not execute, so compiler terminate the program. Get ch, and then I run the program. It gives me enter the number. So I write the number which is greater than 100, that is 1 2 3. So it gives the statement true. Then again I also compile the program, run the program, and then in this way I write the number which is less than 100. I write 23 which is less than 100, that it does not give any statement, so the compiler terminate the program. In this way we use one way selection in a C++. Now we learn the two-way selection. In this way we use both reserved word if and else. So I write two statement encoding, one for if and second for else. If the value of expression true, then it execute the first statement which I write in a if, and the expression will be false, it execute the second statement which I write in else. Now goes to coding and learn how to code. So first include the libraries, then goes to the main function, and I first declare a first variable which data type int and the name is a. So now we enter the number. I enter the expression which is in if a is greater than 100, then it give me statement which I if expression is true, then it give me statement which I write in if case cout true. Otherwise they give me statement which I write in a else. So else, in else I write the statement, cout, and the statement is false. Now I run the program and enter the number, and in this way I write the number which is greater than 100. Enter the number. I write number 121 which is greater than 100, so it execute the statement true because if case is true. So again I run this code, and in this way I write the number which is less than 100. I write number 78. So it give me statement which is false, which is written in a else case. So in this way we use two-way selection in C++. Now we learn the multiple selections. In this way both reserved word used if and else. First if, then else if, and in a last statement we used only else. So we write the code. First used if a is greater than 30, then it execute the statement if expression is true cout Zephyr. Then write else and if, else if, a is greater than 20. It executes the statement if this expression is true. Cout. And the last I use only else and write the statement cout false. Now I run the program, and this way I write the number which is greater than 30, 34. Then it gives the statement Huzaifa because this expression is true. Then again I run the program, and this time I write the number which is less than 30 and greater than 20. So 23. It gives me statement Pakistan because this expression is true. Now again run the program and write the number which is less than 20. I write the number 12. So it gives me statement false because this this statement will be true. This case will be true. So this way we use if else statement in C++. Now subscribe my channel and also give me feedback on my videos.